This video could secretly store 10 gigabytes of real files, books, games, even another video, all hidden inside the pixels of a normal YouTube video. And the crazy part is, YouTube will happily host it forever. So today, I'm going to turn a YouTube video into a hard drive. By the end, you'll see how a normal video can secretly contain megabytes, sometimes gigabytes, of data. And if you want, you could even download that, decode it, and recover every file hidden inside it. Let's build it from scratch. First, we need to understand something simple. A video is not really a video. It's just a lot of images. For example, a 30 FPS video means 30 images every second. So if a video is 10 minutes long, 30 frames times 60 seconds times 10 minutes, that's 18,000 images. And each of those images has millions of pixels. A single 1080p frame has 1,920 times 1,080 pixels. That's about 2 million pixels per frame. Now here's the trick. Every pixel stores color values, usually something like red, green, blue. Each of those channels is stored as numbers from 0 to 255, which means every pixel is basically 3 small numbers. And numbers can store data. So instead of using pixels just for colors, we can use them to store information. Let's say I want to store a file inside a video. Computers already store everything as binary. Binary just means zeros and ones. For example, a file might look like this in binary, just a huge stream of bits. So step 1 is simple. We take the file and convert it into a binary stream. Now we need to hide those bits inside pixels. Here's the easiest way. Each pixel has RGB values, something like R equals 143, G equals 52, B equals 201. We slightly modify the least significant bit of these numbers. For example, 143, 100011111. We change the last bit. Visually, the color looks almost identical. But now we just stored one bit of data. If we do this across millions of pixels, we can hide huge amounts of information. This technique is called steganography, which basically means hiding information inside media. Now we scale this idea. Instead of hiding data in one image, we hide data across thousands of frames. Here's the workflow. Step 1. Take a file you want to store. Step 2. Convert the file into binary. Step 3. Break that binary data into chunks. Step 4. Encode those chunks into pixels across video frames. For example, frame 1 stores the first chunk. Frame 2 stores the next chunk. Frame 3 stores the next. And so on. Once all the frames are generated, we stitch them together into a video. Now the video looks normal. Maybe random patterns. Maybe abstract visuals. But secretly, every frame contains pieces of a hidden file. Now comes the fun part. Upload the video to YouTube. At this point, YouTube compresses the video. This is the biggest challenge. Compression changes pixel values, which can destroy the hidden data. So to make this work, we need to design our encoding carefully. For example, use larger color differences. Use block patterns instead of single pixels. Or encode data redundantly, meaning the same data appears multiple times. That way, even after compression, we can still recover the original bits. This becomes a game of designing an encoding system that survives YouTube compression. Once that works, the video becomes a data container. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more deep dives like this.